I'm Dudo. I'm Amber. I'm Bubble. And this is Funny English Toon. Learn English the fun way. Wow. Sarah looks amazing today. Hey, Sarah. Fancy running into you here. Hi, Dudo. What a pleasant surprise. It's such a beautiful day, isn't it? It really is. The weather couldn't be better. I couldn't agree more. You know, every time you smile, the whole place seems brighter. That's a pretty smooth compliment. So, what have you been up to lately? I've been reading books and improving my English. That's impressive. I think learning never stops. I like that attitude. Every day is a chance to grow. What's your biggest goal? To become the best version of myself. That's a wonderful goal. And honestly, people who inspire me help me achieve that goal. Really? Yes, you're one of those people. I mean every word. That's one of the sweetest things anyone has ever said to me. Subscribe to our channel. Like this video. See you in the next video. Bye!